Hey there, my friends. Today, I'm diving into the epic tale behind one of the most significant Hindu festivals, Maha Shivratri. This festival, which translates to the Great Night of Shiva, is celebrated annually in honor of Lord Shiva, one of the principal deities in Hinduism. It typically falls in February or March on the 14th night of the new moon in the month of Phalguna. Intrigued? Let's explore the rich mythology that makes this festival so special. The story of Maha Shivratri is a tale of love, devotion, and transformation, centered around Maa Parvati and Lord Shiva. Maa Parvati, the daughter of the mountain king Himalaya, had her heart set on marrying Lord Shiva. But here's the catch. Shiva, in his ascetic form, was detached from worldly concerns and spent his days in deep meditation. Determination, my friends, is powerful. Maa Parvati was resolute in her love and underwent rigorous penance and devotion to win Shiva's heart. Can you imagine the strength it takes to stay committed like that? Her unwavering dedication finally moved Lord Shiva. He unveiled his true form to Maa Parvati, revealing the profound love they shared in previous lifetimes. Recognizing her devotion, Shiva accepted her as his consort. Their union isn't just a love story, it symbolizes the balance of cosmic energies and the importance of love, devotion, and partnership in overcoming life's challenges. This is what Maha Shivratri celebrates, the divine love story and the principles of unity, devotion, and transformation. On this auspicious night, devotees around the world honor Shiva and Parvati by offering prayers, lighting lamps, and performing rituals. It is believed that these rituals can lead to spiritual liberation and harmony. So whether you're fasting, keeping a night-long vigil, or chanting hymns, remember, it's all about connecting with that divine energy. Maha Shivratri reminds us that love and devotion can transcend all obstacles. It's a time to reflect on the cosmic dance of Shiva and Parvati and to seek balance and harmony in our own lives. So, light your lamps, offer your prayers, and let the spirit of Maha Shivratri guide you on your spiritual journey. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Until next time, stay blessed and keep the faith.